wondering if it is possible to gain access to your Facebook after being hacked and you no longer have access to it. In this video we'll guide you through step-by-step process of recovering your Facebook account. Well, before we get started, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are not left behind whenever we make our videos. So some of you you find out that you can even request a Facebook code to change your password because they removed your email and also your phone number. Even when you try to recover your Facebook account via email or your phone number, they say your email or your phone number is not registered with Facebook. So I will help you to search for your account if they have removed your email and also your phone number, and also you can use someone's Facebook to report your account or to claim your account back. I'll also guide you through that step so that you get everything right and gain access to your Facebook account again. So step number 1, you will make sure that you report the account as compromised. I'll make sure that I guide you through that. So step 2, I'll help you identify your account, and then step 3, I'll help you secure your account. Step 4, contact Facebook support. Step 5, verify your identity account. Recovering Facebook account can be very challenging, but following all the steps you should be able to gain access to your Facebook account again. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, I'll show you two methods to gain control of your Facebook account. So first, let me start by this one. You can go to Chrome, Google, you just type facebook.com. See, first option, Facebook compromise the account. You click there, you see. So it's written there, if you believe your account has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click the my account is compromised button below. Will help you log back into your account so that you can regain control. So I'll click on my account is compromised. There you go. So here you can enter your mobile number or email address, because even if you can enter them, you're still not going to have access to your account because it's hacked. So probably they change your password. Some they even change your mobile number or email address. So what you do here, you go to forgotten password. Then here all you have to do, just have to dial your number and they will send you the Facebook code. All you have to do, you will enter the code, and then you will get a chance to create another password. But if they change your number or your email address, you will have to search by your email. You will have to search by your name instead. So you go there under there. I'll make sure that I circle it so that you can all see. Click there. So here I will write my Facebook username account. it's like this. That was hacked. No, it was then I'll go to search. Here is the account, guys. So if you do this, you only have to go. So after this, you press continue if it is the right account, if it is your account that was hacked. So another way that you can use is by using your friends or someone that is close to you to gain access to your Facebook account. So by doing that, all you have to do is log into their account. So let me do this. I'll use my other account to log in. So here we are. I'll just go to the account that was hacked. So usually if you were chatting with that person, you can go to Messenger so that you can find what we call the Facebook account very fast. So here is the account. So I'll go to the last option. I'll click there where it's written as something's wrong, find support or report conversation. You click there, then after you go to other. Then by doing that, as you can see there, it's written hacked. If this account is hacked, you just click there, as you can see. And then here you can submit the report. As you see, the report was successful. So after a while, they will give you an option to send your ID number or send a selfie holding your ID number so that they will confirm that it is you claiming the account back. So thank you guys for watching.